Hey, this is Barry from Sunken Mine Railroad. Today I'm going to show you how to install a lighted bumper, track bumper, which is this guy right here, 8931. I'll put it right here. I got this recently. It's something a little different. Normally the bumpers aren't lit, and this is going to be a real quick video. So this is mint in box. There's the screw. There's the little end parts. And here it is right here. There's not much to it, but it lights up. And I just thought it would be cool to put it at the end of the spur siding where the freight depot is going to be. So I'm going to measure out where I think there's a hole in the bottom, right there. And the wire comes through, and I'm going to see which tie I'm going to put it in. Probably the last one. It's going to go on like that. Just like that. And then perfect, just like that. And then when it's wired, it'll light up, and it'll be a really nice end to this siding here. So the first thing I want to do is drill a hole for the wires. So since this guy is going to go right there, I'm going to put the wire. So this is the feeder track right here, and there's going to be the hole for the wire, and then there's going to be a hole here for the screw. So my drill. It's a 16th inch bit. Actually, I think I'm just going to start it with a pin. So I'm going to go right there, like that. You got to be careful not to put the hole through the wires. There's a groove there where they can come out the back side. That's where it's going to go, right like that. Let's make a pilot hole. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is feed the wire through the first hole I drilled. There we go. All right. Okay, that's in position. And then it comes with a small screw, which is right here. And that's it. So I'll light it up. All right, that's my quick video. Thank you.